just taken on our 8th employee, yeah, we've had rapid growth since the pandemic. So yeah, we're growing. We had a good year last year, kept all our staff together, kept the team together, and onwards and upwards. Our big aim is to turn over £1 million. It'd be nice if we could do it this year. Business plan wise, we set that for 2024. So that's the big target at the moment in the short term. But yeah, we're looking to grow the business constantly. Started out as a technician, then business partner, then took over sort of sole ownership in 2016. So, you know, going from tech to sort of tech manager to being a manager, but still working on tools. And then sort of about 2019 made the decision to come away from the tools and the van and to manage the business, which was a scary move, but one that's really paid off, I think, in the end. So now it's a case of managing the guys and trying to get new business and keep us moving forward. With UK, the AGP group, which I started in 2018, I joined that. That's been a massive help. So the guys at head office, the training team, but also fellow franchisees, showing you what's possible and giving you that ambition and that carrot to chase. The structure around the head office put in place gets better and better all the time. Really supportive. I think number one, it's the people in the business, the guys who work for us. You're as strong as your team, and the ethic that they bring to it and the values they put into it and their hard work is massively important. I'd say vision, having that desire to grow big and to take the risks to sort of make the business grow and to make sure that you can take on new customers and grow in areas as well. So not resting on your laurels and trying to move forward all the time. Certainly there's landmarks in sales and things like that which are easy to pin down. I think just seeing technicians, the guys who work for the business grow, having children, buying houses, things like that I find really rewarding. And them being part of a team, I think when we have those moments when we've got real unity, that's really rewarding. I think you need to be ambitious. I think you want to be, I think passion helps massively. And I think you need to be resilient because it's tough to get going in any business, I know, but there is bumps in the road and you need to have that resilience to sort of roll with the punches. But I think, yeah, really probably the number one thing I'd say is to have that enthusiasm and ambition for the job, absolutely.